Canada and the United States. Our stories are woven together, our economies are like best friends, we share a big backyard and a similar way of life. This friendship has been good for both of us. It has brought good times, safety, and a feeling of working together. We're more than just next-door neighbors. We're teammates, helpers, and buddies. This friendship is super important. It needs care, understanding, and working towards the same goals. The strength of our friendship comes from shared values. We believe in democracy, freedom, and following the rules. We want a world where everyone is safe and happy. This shared dream has guided our teamwork for a long time. It has helped us overcome tough times and become stronger together. Our history shows how powerful it is to work together. But even best friends have disagreements. The friendship between Canada and the United States has had some tough times lately. Changes in rules, changes in the world, and problems at home created some uncertainty. It became clear we needed to adjust, to promise to be good friends again, and to find new ways to work together. This needed honest talks, listening to each other, and a shared desire to agree on things. When Mr. Trump was president, things got tricky for Canada and the United States. The America First idea meant things changed. It meant focusing on things at home, sometimes forgetting about working with other countries. This caused some problems, especially with trade and safety. Putting taxes on Canadian steel and aluminum caused a big disagreement. These taxes, which they said were for national security, seemed unfair to Canada and bad for both countries. Changing NAFTA to USMCA also made things uncertain. Even though everyone agreed in the end, it was hard work, and people worried about trade in North America. Besides specific rules, things just felt tense. Announcements, often on social media, made things worse. This new situation needed careful handling. Canada had to stand up for itself while still trying to stay friends. Even with these problems, Canadians knew we shouldn't split up. We knew we were stronger together, able to face problems as a team. We'd been through tough times before, and we'd get through this too, by focusing on what we both wanted and the values that connect us. This was a time to stay calm and not overreact. We needed to avoid making things worse or just getting back at each other. Instead, we had to talk things out respectfully, explaining our side while looking for things we could agree on. It was also a time to be creative, to find new ways to work together and make existing ones stronger. We knew it was important to build bridges, not walls. This meant getting closer at all levels, from government talks to regular people connecting. It meant encouraging talks between businesses, schools, and community groups. It meant remembering all the ways our lives are connected and how good things are when we're friends. The friendship between Canada and the United States is too important to let small problems ruin it. We share a continent, a history together, and a strong economy as partners. Our people are close like no other countries. As we move forward, we need to remember these important things. Our future happiness and safety depend on working together. This means talking all the time, promising to find solutions that work for both of us, and remembering the values that have always made us friends. We must be ready to talk about our differences calmly, listen to each other's worries, and find things we agree on whenever we can. The problems we face are not impossible to solve. By working together, with respect, understanding, and shared goals, we can make sure Canada and the United States stay best friends and a good example for the world. Our kids and grandkids deserve that much.